In this Elementor WordPress tutorial video, I'm going to show how you can easily add a FAQ section, frequently asked question section in Elementor WordPress. So you can see these are the these are the FAQs over here, and when I click on this, it shows the answer over here. So the question is like this, and when I click on the question, it opens up and shows the answer. And when I again click on this, it just closes up the answer. Okay. Great. And when I click on another one, the previous one automatically closes down like this. You see? So this is how it works. So I'm going to show you how you can easily build this out yourself using Elementor. Okay. So let's get started building this out. Okay, so let's start building the FAQ section for our page, Elementor page. So this is the page which I've opened up over here, a landing page over here, and I am going to add a FAQ section below this diagram over here. Okay, so over here I have opened up a FAQ page over here by tesla.com's FAQ page. Okay, so I'm going to take the contents from here and build something like this just to show you how it's done. Okay, so firstly adding we start by adding a title over here, and I'm going to add a margin to it. Okay, top margin, and I'm going to add a color, dark color to it, and I'm going to set the typography to poppins over here. Great. And over here I'm going to say um, FAQ, FAQ, and I can say that frequently asked questions. Okay, frequently asked questions. Okay, so this is the FAQ. If you can say this or not, it's up to you. Okay, then to add the FAQ, I'm going to use the accordion element. Okay, in Elementor over here, if I scroll down under the general, you find this accordion element. It's not a pro element, so you can use it for free. Okay, you see it toggles up and down. Okay, great. And over here, let's see. Okay, over here you see there are two icons over here, plus for the expanding, and over here and minus for the collapsing. Okay, you can change this easily. So over here I want to make it like this one over here, this angle like this, and for this like this I'm going to say angle. So I can, for this side, pointing it to the right side. Okay, if I close this, you see this is like similar to this right now over here, and over here. And when I open this up over here, you see this is a downward angle over here. I'm going to change this one. So this is the minus. I'm going to change it to another symbol like this, so downward over here. So it will become like the Tesla page over here. So you see when it's opened up, it's like this, and if I click on it, it changes to like this over here. Great. And maybe I can reduce the width of this FAQ. I'll do this later, but firstly I want to style this a bit. So this one over here is a bit plain in my opinion. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go to style, and over here header, I'm going to make this. Okay, header over here. If I come and content, background, if I come over here, background. Okay, accordion, background type. Okay, background type, I can make this white. Okay, you see this is white now, so it will look better behind a bluish grayish background over here that we have, so it will stand out. And I want to make this title over here, this heading over here, a bit more bold. So I'm going to go to header, and I'm going to change the titles. I'm going to change the font family to Poppin. Okay, Poppins. And I'm going to make the weight bold. Right, so it will not too much bold, maybe semi bold. Okay, like this, so it stand out. And I want to make this over here like the accordion thicker over here. So I'm going to go and content, and I'm going to add the padding. Accordion, I will go to accordion, and padding I will add a padding of 20. So it is much thicker, you see over here. Great. So it looks nicer. Okay, space between items, I can increase the space. So these are separate over here. Great. And then I can also, maybe I can also add a bit of border. Is it necessary? No, default. I'll say to default. So this is how it looks right now. Okay, for the content, I'm also going to change the content. So you see this is the transparent right now. And I'm going to change the background type to something like FFF. So let's see. So this is also white right now, so it looks better. Great. Okay, now what I'm going to do, if I click on it, I get the option to, I can drag a widget. So I'm going to click over here and drag and drop a text element over here. See, so this is the text element. So the very first thing I'm going to just copy this FAQ section over here. How to, okay, let me see. How do I order a Tesla vehicle? Let me try to copy this. Okay. I will copy this over here and paste it over here. And I can also copy this out like this. Great. And I can open this up. I can click on this paragraph which I've dragged and dropped in over here. Okay, great. Then I'm going to click over here and I can duplicate this FAQ. Okay. I can make up to 5. Okay. Okay, great. Then I can copy this FAQ. Great. Can I request a test? I'll just check the questions. I'll just change the questions over here so it will look better. Can I request? Okay. Then over here I can copy this other over here, other FAQ. I'll copy this. Okay. Then I can copy 2 more, I guess. The one, just 2 more, just show you how done. Okay. And then last one. Okay. I'm not copying everything, just this is just an example just to show you. Okay, I'll just write down one of them. Write down one of them. Can I cancel my order? Okay, great. So we have now added a FAQ section like this. All you need to do is change the text right over here. You can easily do that. Okay, what I now want to do is reduce the width of this FAQ section. And I can go to a width. I can choose a custom width. Okay, then I can choose percentage over here like this. So I can choose a percentage like 65%. I think it looks good. And I can choose, click on this align self to make it go to the center. Great. Now in the margin, I can add a top margin of 30. It's spaced out nicely. Okay, now if I click on this, you see the FAQ appears. Okay. uh, okay, we need to change, I guess we need to change the yeah. Great. We have added the FAQ section. Let me publish it and let me go to the front end and check it out how it looks. Okay, you see the FAQ section we have added, and you see this symbol over here, this icon, we have also changed it. Okay, so this is how you can easily add a nice looking FAQ section in Elementor. So I hope this you found this video useful. If you did, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.